Oh, you need this if you're going to talk. It's on.
Oh. Oh.
That's good. I think I got that.
Got my bat helmet on here. It probably echoes.
Yeah. So what are you doing?
So see right here, I'm going to put 245 tires on here. And to do that, they're 0.6 inches wider. That's 0.3 on each side. So it's pretty close. Okay. So I'm cutting a little bit, and then I'm going to form this plastic in to give me maybe another quarter or half an inch.
You have to do that on all four?
No, just on the front side of the back ones. So I got my jack out, and I did it for the first time. And I only have one injury from that, and it's a paper cut from the instructions. So anyway, good time. So I'll do a little grinding here to impress you. I've actually ground most of it off, and here are the pieces. And oh, they're hot. They're hot. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so now I'm going to use my heat gun. Get rid of the bat mask. And I'm going to have to get my gloves. And I'm going to see if I can form this plastic down.
So you don't know if this is going to work?
Yeah, I've seen somebody on the YouTubes do it, and I don't know how good it was. You can't really tell. So far, this looks great, but I haven't molded this plastic in. You don't really see it. The tire goes about right there, but I kind of want to form that in, and I'd like it to look decent. I don't want to melt the plastic too bad, but I'm going to plastic dip the whole thing, so it probably doesn't matter that much.
You're going to do what?
I'm going to plastic dip the whole
This is where I have to
van.
tell you, this is his project, not mine. Everything he's doing is his idea. So he's going to plastic dip his van.
This is going to take a long time, probably 10 or 15 minutes. So do you understand what any of this is?
It's the wheel well and the brakes and the shock absorber. How am I doing?
Good. So this is ooh, it's hot.
So is that almost ready? That thing you're cooking over there? Is it still hot?
It's better. See how much? I think that's going to work.
Maybe we should title some of these videos, A Robotic Engineer Builds a Van. The guy who wrote the book on robotics. The For Dummies book on robotics.
I wonder if there's a van building
For
dummies book.
Maybe
I could make like $150 commission.
Yeah, exactly. About how much you made on the robot building for dummies book. Do you even want that on here?
Yeah.
You wouldn't mind people making the connection?
That's 20 years ago.
Okay, guys, you want to know who wrote Robot Building for Dummies? There's your man.
I think this needs some more heating.
I do too. Put your gloves on.
I'm going to put my gloves on.
They're behind you.
Whoa. You see that spark?
I did not.
It was cool.
Yeah, you got several inches there to work with. Did you do the same thing on the back end or just the front end?
I've got to do it on the other rear tire.
But you didn't have to do it back here.
No.
Just right.
Just the front edge
front
of the
edge.
back tires.